Before installing battery meter, I'm going to show you what I have here. I'm going to make a really detailed video so that you don't miss anything. You can skip forward if you don't need that information. So first I have a 2000 model EZGO golf cart. They also call it EZGO Text. 36 volt battery, a work bed. I'm going to install this battery meter. I bought it from Amazon about like $10-15. I will leave a link in description. It will work for multiple voltages. You have any kind of voltage, 36, 12, 48, it will work. If you remove this plastic, you have a dip switches. Top will be the 0, bottom will be the 1. For 36 volt, you need a 101. Your switch need to be moved. First will be moved down, second up, the last will down, so it will count 101 for 36 volt. On the back side, plus minus comes straight from the battery. You need to make sure you're connecting to the 36 volt. If you connect to one battery, it might not gonna work or it's not gonna be accurate. So 36 volt, you're gonna connect straight here, positive and negative. The top one is common or your switch. Anytime this will get power, your battery meter will come on. I'm going to use my ignition switch here. So anytime I turn on the ignition switch, it will turn on, or you can just jump from here to here. It will stay on all the time. After that, I have a wire. This is a really strong wire. I have a 2 conductor, white and black, easy for me to remember. White will be the negative 24 volt, 36 voltage DC, and black will be the positive. Then here I have some little connectors. I'm going to connect here. The one came with was really weak. They're gonna go here. I have a multiple. These one I have a picked multiple size. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So if you look here, from here to here we have a 36 volt. I'm going to put like this one here. I'm gonna crimp and put it here. This one look bigger. I will put a smaller. I have a couple smaller ones. So you can put your meter from here to here. You will have a 36 volt. Maybe here, if you go back, you're not gonna have enough volts. So you need to make sure you have a 36 volt providing to the meter. If you put it somewhere here, it might not gonna show the battery how much volt is here, but you have to do 36. So each battery is 6 volt. So I have to run wire from here under safely. I have the wire go to the ignition switch. I will bring it here. I'm gonna put temporary over here. Then I will make a plate and I will put it. So first I have a run like this 2 conductor wire from here under the golf cart. I zip ties all over, bring it over here, and I just tied white wire this side. It shows white, and this side black. And when I was testing temporary, I was confused. If you are an electrician, you will too, because white, I see this white, I connected white, and I thought this one is 36 volt negative DC, and this one positive, but here is totally different. Here black wire is negative and white or this side terminal is positive. I was connecting this white on my battery meter to the negative, this to the positive, so battery meter didn't work. At first place I thought I had to return it, but then when I put my meter here, and it shows negative polarity. I show you what I mean now. Okay, I have a fluke meter and I have a on DC and AC voltage. I will put black lead this side and red this side. You will see 38 volt is DC. It have no negative. That means that's the right polarity. I'm gonna switch my leads. Red this side and black this side. So you will see 37 negative. That means it's wrong polarity. That's I was confused. So now I'm using white as a positive. I'm gonna stick with the color, black as a negative. So I'm done this side. Now you have already ran wire through here, and here, as you can see, I have a white connected to this side of meter where it says positive, black where it says negative. And then I have a crimp another piece of wire I connected here. I ran through here and I have opened that ignition switch. And this side is 36 volt is coming from the battery. And when I turn the switch on, it just power up this side. Leg switch, which one goes to my common of the battery meter. And anytime I will turn on the ignition switch, and this my battery meter will come on. So battery meter is on. So as you can see, battery meter is on and it shows full because I have a charged last night. I'm gonna turn the ignition switch off and this one goes off. You can also have a separate switch. Then what you have to do, you have to use white wire, go to the switch, on and off switch, one side, another side, you can bring wire here, then it will be designating the switch for only the battery meter. Anytime you need to know, you can turn on. So now after that, you can manage any way to put a permanent, but I'm going to put one of the plate here and I will mount this one here because in the future, I'm also going to put LED lights at the front, brake lights, other stuff. Then I will manage the switches here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with the new topic.